one thing that I've noticed is how loud it gets in this room. I don't know if it's the air conditioning or the sound of the engine, but I've been experiencing this. I got back on the ship at around 12:30, and it's been this loud the entire time. I do know that there is some kind of closet or work area on the other side of this wall, because there's a door, and throughout the day and the night, I hear people going in and out the door to check the supplies, get the supplies, things like that. So just be aware of that. If you're a light sleeper or you can't handle a lot of noise, this room does get noisy. Okay, so just remember that if you choose room U2 on Carnival Elation, it's still a great room, but it's loud.